It's on now? Oh! Can you come closer? No? Can you come closer?
Feel the deer?
Yeah.
Give it to the deer, please. Feel the deer. Okay. Feel the deer? I'll take it out.
Oh, it's cute.
Do you want to get down?
Good.
Nana, do you want to give the deer?
Take it.
Do you want to give the deer, Nana?
Give it to the deer, please, Noah. Give it to the deer.
Okay, I'm going to get you down. Please don't try to get back. Too much fun for you to make it go. Oh, keep it.
Here, have some food over here in the bag. You want some food?
No, hey. Come on.
No, it's throwing it on the ground. There's a lot over here. Oh. Okay.
Uh-oh. No? You don't want it? Mama didn't. Oh, look. Look. Oh, do you want to do it? No.
What's she laughing at? What's she laughing at?
Because of the deer's eating.
He puts his whole hand inside its mouth.
But this one's gentle.
Yeah.
The teeth don't come out. It's hard actually. He's coming in all the way.
No, you spilled it on the floor. It's on the floor.
I know. Don't you look at me?
That's right, Noah. Yeah. Give him that one.